Hi Srinivas.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good. This is Varshini from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take feedback video from you. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Vice Srinivaslu. I'm from Kadapa district. I completed my graduation in Siddhartha Institute of Science and Technology, and I completed my diploma in Wembley and also schooling in also Wembley.
Okay, that's nice. Have you got to know our CM T.I. Srinivas?
Ma'am, through my friends have suggested me this CMTA, and I inquiry once and I joined.
Okay, what course you have taken?
I've taken IDM plus BIM, ma'am, hybrid mode.
Okay, how was the classes was there in the hybrid mode, and what and all topics you have learned in the course?
Yes, ma'am. I got through CMDA the classes like quantity, quality. నేను CMDA తరపున క్లాసెస్ అనేది బాగా జరుగుతున్నాయి. మాకు ఏ విధమైన టాపిక్స్ అనేది క్వాలిటీ, క్వాంటిటీ, ఇంటీరియర్ లో ఏ విధంగా వర్క్ చేయాలి, ఏ విధంగా మనము మెజర్మెంట్ తీసుకోవాలి, ఏ విధంగా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి, సైట్ లో ఏ విధంగా వర్క్ చేస్తారు, డిజైనర్ పరంగా ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుందని క్లాసెస్ అన్ని నేర్పించారు మ్యామ్.
Okay. You have visited various sites, right? Site
Yes,
and
ma'am.
showroom. Yeah,
Yes,
which and all site you have visited?
నేను 5 types of sites విజిట్ చేశాను మ్యామ్. లైక్ IBO, IKEA, Villa Constructions, and also Home Infra Market.
Okay. Like in hybrid mode, like how was the classes were there and how the classes will be going on?
క్లాసెస్ అనేది బాగా జరిగాయి మ్యామ్. హైబ్రిడ్ మోడ్ లో మాకు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ జరిగాయి. రోజుకి మాకు 5 క్లాసెస్ 6 క్లాసెస్ జరుగుతున్నాయి. ఓ క్లాసు 45 minutes 1.5 hour జరుగుతుంది. క్లాసెస్ బాగా జరుగుతున్నాయి. సార్ వాళ్ళు బాగా చెప్పారు, బాగా అర్థమయ్యాయి మ్యామ్.
Okay, Srinivas. Like for which role you have selected?
Ma'am, I selected for site engineer role, ma'am.
Okay. Like how was the interview procedures and how many rounds were there?
Ma'am, it's 2 rounds, ma'am. In first round, they asked about technical skills, and in second round, they asked about interior.
What do you want to tell to your juniors and friends regarding the CMTI?
Yes, ma'am. CMD is a good platform to achieve your goals, and this is a good platform to beginners in interior designing field, and also to mold ourselves to become a designer.
Okay. Like how was the trainers and all supported toward?
The trainers are supported as well, ma'am. You can success. I am nervous in first, ma'am. The sir and ma'am told there is nothing. You can crack everything. You can do anything. You can prepare and you can do anything.
Okay. Congratulations, Srinivas, for your placement and have a bright future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.